So the question is, what is the expression for output 1? Whereas the input and output of the logic circuit is shown in a truth table. So here option A is having an expression of B dash, which means inverse of B. So here we can take only the P input as a consideration. It's having an input of 0, 1, 0, 1. If it is B dash, it will be equal to 1, 0, 1, 0. So let us check this expression output and the table's output. When we are checking, both are same. So we can say the correct answer here will be option A. Let us check why other options are wrong. If we are going to take option B expression, the expression is only B. So here B is 0, 1, 0, 1. So let us check this with Y output in the table. Both are different. So option B will not be the correct answer. This is how we have to check option C and D as well. Here option A is giving the correct answer. So we can say option A would be the correct expression for the output.